Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
Behind the camera, there's Michael. Michael, say hi to everyone.
Hey, everyone.
And I guess we only see Ginger, right, trying to lick the floor. Anything that she can find, because they're always trying to get what we eat. But anyways, This morning it is, let's see what time it is. 9:18 a.m. in the morning, Friday the 12th.
Yes.
January 12th. It's so cold outside, you feel like you're going into seizures. But anyway, I want to make this morning a white cake.
Yeah.
I saw this at the supermarket and we got it for what? 79 cents?
79 cents. Let me see that. Wow.
And we also bought a frosting.
What kind of frosting?
For 89
Vanilla.
cents. So with less than $2, we bought the frosting and a cake. So this cake consists of taking it out of the bag.
Yep, check.
And then ripping the bag.
Check.
And putting the contents
Of that bag.
of the cake inside a bowl.
Triple check.
And then after you do that, it also says
What does it
that
say?
you're going to need a cup of water in it. So I already measured the water, put it in the cup.
Okay, Uno water
And
for our
1 cup
Spanish
of water.
people.
And then, which one is the quarter one? This one. It says that you need also a quarter cup of vegetable oil.
That's it?
So, yeah, quarter cup of vegetable oil. And we're going to put it in there. And let me put this in the sink.
Looks good already.
And they said also that you need 3 egg whites. So what I did, I separated it.
Just the egg whites?
And this is the 3 egg yolks.
All right.
So we don't need no egg yolks for this, but we need 3 egg whites. So you put all the contents together without touching anything. Okay? And then before you start mixing it all together, you're going to take a little bit of butter or oil, and you're going to take a pan where you're going to bake your cake. And you're going to grease it in the bottom. I took a little stick of butter and I went like that.
Grease it up.
Around and on the sides.
Yeah, you don't want your cake to stick.
So when your cake is done, you don't want your cake to stick there and then the pieces stay there. It looks ugly.
Yeah, and then it's hard to clean.
So, okay, so that's set, right? And
yes.
We put everything together. And what do we put in here? We put 3 egg whites.
Check.
A quarter cup of veggie oil.
Double check.
And a cup of water.
Triple
check. And the cake mix.
Quadruple
check. So now, let me put this up, my sleeves. And I am, you know, I have a hand blender. I said that the other day, right,
Mix
Mike?
it up, mix it up.
That
Yes,
I have
you
a
did.
hand blender?
Yes.
But for some reason, I just don't feel comfortable because it doesn't have like a thing on the top. And then when I blend, I know it's going to be, wow, this is like blending real quick, Michael.
Oh, yeah.
It's going to be like all over, you know, and I don't like that.
We like the old-fashioned
I think
way.
this is from the egg white that is doing that, right?
Yeah.
Wow, that looks real pretty.
Already looks smooth.
Yeah, not yet.
Speaking of smooth, Ginger!
Leave them dogs alone, Michael. Why are you going to be messing with them dogs?
Oh, I love you.
You know? I know, it's so cold out. I got to go get Ginger some boots. I always say I'm going to do it, and I haven't gotten there yet. But, you know, do so much things during the day. Besides washing all my shows that I love on TV.
That's right.
What did it start the night before last night? Ink Master. One of my favorite shows ever.
Best show ever.
You know what I like also? Face Off.
Best show ever.
That is on
Sci-Fi.
on Sci-Fi.
Yeah.
What else do we watch? I like Master Chef.
Yep. Chef Ramsay.
Yeah, Hell's Kitchen.
Love you.
Anything to do with food. I mean, Iron Chef.
Yes.
And you go on and on.
We like Guy Fieri.
Guy Fieri.
He does all those.
Diners
Yep.
and dives. I love it.
Yep.
I love it.
It's perfect.
But,
Oh, look at the
so you see?
consistency.
Exactly. So you see how you say, oh, it's almost done, Mom? And I'm like, no, it's not almost
It almost
done.
looks like vanilla pudding.
Yeah, but it's not.
But it's not.
So we're going to bake this for 28 to what, they said?
28 to 30 minutes?
Yeah.
On
28 to 32
325.
On 325.
In this cake pan?
Well, yeah, because we want to make it a little bit darker, you know. See, Mike?
Oh, let me zoom in on that.
Yeah, now,
You put it in?
I'm going to put it in and
All
then we're
right.
going to throw it in the thing. Here we go.
Ooh.
Go like this. Now we're stirring it with this.
I'm going to tell you something. I'm going to enjoy this cake the
Yeah, but
most.
look at the thing that you put, Michael. You could have gotten like the thing on the top, the frosting, a different color.
Why?
White cake over white cake for real. Oh, you
What do you mean white
like
cake
this?
over white cake?
You want
Yeah.
it like that,
Like
right?
the box.
White over white?
Yeah. White on white.
I don't know. I thought maybe, you know, a little chocolate. Well, I don't like chocolate cake. I can't eat cake. This is for Michael and Junior and my husband.
All right.
He's on a diet, but a little. It's Friday, you know. So okay, guys. So now we're gonna put this together. Now, before we put that in the oven, don't forget to subscribe and like us on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube. Right now,
hit that notification bell. Big like.
We're gonna be opening a Pinterest channel soon, Mike.
Yes.
So we're gonna be like on Pinterest also soon.
And a Snapchat.
And Snapchat.
Coming soon.
Sometime like within a
this
month
week.
or so.
Yeah.
You know, like within a month or so. Okay, so let's put this thing. Let's put the cake.
Yeah.
Put it in. Oh, and don't drink and drive for those that like to be having drinks in the morning.
No drinking, guys.
It's a bad habit. You smell like alcohol. People look at you weird when people drink, and I mean, we all do. You know what I'm saying? Nobody likes that. So have cake, coffee, and a roll, and be happy. And I'll see you guys in 30 minutes. Love you and be cool. We're back. 32 minutes went by, or 30 minutes, whatever we had it. 3, 2, 1. This is the cake. All right. Move, Michael. Look at that, Mike.
Oh, it smells so good.
It smells really white.
Yes.
Uh-oh, look at that, look at that. You gotta...
I love white cake.
Oh, look at that. He's gonna like, oh, shoot.
Beautiful.
Oh, yeah. Now we gotta let it sit for 20 minutes, so we'll see you guys in 20 minutes again. Don't forget to subscribe. We're back. This is the cake. I took it out of the thing. You can see it right here. Never mind. So people can see it. See it in the sink, in the bottom there. There's the flakes of the cake, and this is our creamy frosting. So what I'm trying to do is put as much as I can on the top, and then, right, Mike?
Mm-hmm.
That's what you do. Yeah, it looked like it sunk in the middle, but hey, it's cake. Nobody cares about that.
Nope.
You know what I'm saying?
I just care. Is it delicious?
I wish I can eat it, but I can't.
Nope. But I will enjoy it for you.
I know. Michael likes his cake, huh, Mike?
Oh, yeah. Gotta make sure you do those sides, too.
We are.
Oh, yeah.
We are. Gonna do the sides.
It's looking like a birthday cake. How much do people spend on wedding cakes?
I don't know, Michael. People are crazy because people go around, like, if you're getting married, I understand. And it's your wedding. Like, I never had a real wedding. My first wedding, I got married in a Justice Department in New York City. And then my second wedding with my husband now, we went and got married at a police department. So I never had, like, the white dress. I never had, what do you call that after the wedding? I don't even know.
The after wedding?
No, Mike.
The honeymoon.
Never had a honeymoon in my life, ever.
Never ever?
But I think, after me getting older and all, I think that if you're very smart, what you should do, instead of spending all your money on a wedding, that if for one day, all this hundreds of thousands of dollars that people go, don't you rather like get instead like a nice apartment or a nice house, put the down payment for a nice house?
Oh, yeah.
Instead of, because all you're doing is feeding a whole bunch of ungrateful people, because they go to your wedding and they start talking all kinds of stuff. Well, there wasn't enough cake. There wasn't enough this. They cut us out. You know what I'm saying? That's what people do. That's what we do. That's what we like to do. We all do it.
Yes.
Not some people. We all do it more than others. I know it's not looking too pretty right now.
It is. You just got to smooth it out.
You know?
That's all. It actually looks really good, though.
Okay, move.
Oh.
Just putting this thing everywhere. I'm going to fix it. I just want to like, you know?
You don't have to put all the icing.
Yeah, we're going to put all the icing.
All the icing?
Of course.
All right, all the icing.
Yeah, we're going to make it.
Yeah, there you go.
Nice.
Wow, it looks good.
Not yet.
Not yet?
It doesn't look that good.
Oh, yeah, smooth it out. So this is a vanilla white cake. Or
this
a
is
white cake. With vanilla frosting.
Vanilla icing.
Wow.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Beautiful.
I think so, right?
Yeah.
here on the curb. It's a little, it looks really nice. So that's how it's supposed to look. You guys can put candles on it. I'm not a great baker, but hey, guys, we baked a cake, didn't we, Mike?
That's right.
So anyway, instead of spending all that money on wedding, which I've always dreamt of having a wedding, but who knows, maybe in my next life, right? I would like take my money and buy me a nice bedroom set, a couple of nice TVs, some really good pots and pans, things that you're gonna use. You can put money down, get yourself a car. I mean, I've seen people that spend $50,000, $100,000 on a wedding, and they're divorced, and they're still paying for that because they still own for that. I mean, what's the point? So a whole bunch of people come here, get drunk on your money that you work so hard for one day. Come on. Go to Vegas. That's a place that I would like to go to. Go to Vegas, get married in Vegas, take pictures, you know. And maybe I'm going to go to Vegas one day and get married there. And put like a dress and rent it and take pictures just to have them. You know, that's a great idea. So anyway, here's your cake, guys. Throw this out. It doesn't look that pretty, but it's a cake.
Beautiful.
It's less than $2. I guess with the 3 egg whites and a little bit of milk, let's say like $4 or $5 for a cake. A lot of people can eat from this cake. I'm going to tell you that right now.
I'm going to be eating right now.
But anyways, don't forget to subscribe. You know what to do. The notification button. Like us on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter. Everywhere you see us, you like us. Soon we're going to be opening. We're going to be on Pinterest and on Snapchat too, okay? So it is 10:56 a.m. in the morning, Friday the 12th. It's like 4 minutes before you guys can think that you can start drinking. You don't want to do that. On the East Coast, it's 11:56 a.m. at almost noon. But I love you all. I hope you enjoy. Try to make this cake. And if you do, please let me know how it came out on your side so I know how much you guys love doing this as much as I do. And for others, have a nice weekend. And God bless everyone.